Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Mixtiles. Mixtiles turns your photos into affordable, stunning wall art, and I'm going to show you how it works now. The first step is clicking the Let's Go button, and then here is where you will put in all of your personal information. As you can see here at the top of the screen, they allow you to choose from 5 different frame styles. And then you can click Upload Photos here, which will allow you to upload photos saved from your desktop, or you can connect your social media accounts and take your pictures from there. Last time we ordered, we went straight through our Instagram and just uploaded the photos from our Instagram account, but this time I saved photos from one of my old phones and I just uploaded it from my desktop to the website. Here you can see the photos we have chosen, and up the top here you can just click on each frame and it will give you an example of what your picture is going to look like. Mixtiles automatically centers your photo for you, but they also give you the opportunity to move around the picture and position it in whichever way you would like to. It's really as simple as that, and then you put your order in and your order will be on its way to you. Y'all, I'm so excited. My new Mixtiles just arrived at my front door, and I'm shocked that they got here so soon because they were not supposed to arrive today, but I'm pretty happy about it because I cannot wait to see how my Mixtiles turned out. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing and then we're gonna switch up some things around here. So yeah, we decided we need a little change in here. We're gonna be taking our old Mixtiles off the wall and putting up our new ones.
And that's what's so good about Mixtiles is the versatility and customizability of these things are amazing. So you can just take the old ones off the wall, damage free, and you can put new ones back up in the same spot or switch them around, make a new pattern. You can do whatever you want with these things.
Are you ready to see these pictures we picked out?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That one. So last time we got our Mixtiles, we got some more updated pictures done, but we realized that we didn't print out any pictures from when we were first married, and these pictures are actually really good memories of us when we first met and when we were dating. Oh my god, these are so pretty. The coloring, the quality, I love these. These are gorgeous pictures. And I'm not just saying of us, I'm just saying these turned out so good.
There's more.
Our girls!
Cookies!
Oh my gosh, these are awesome. Check out all of our Mixtiles all together. These are so beautiful. So we got 16 Mixtiles in total. Another thing we love about Mixtiles is it is the most affordable frame in the world. A lot of these pictures from when we were dating and when we first met and stuff, we didn't actually get any of these pictures printed out, so I love that Mixtiles gave me the opportunity to have these printed out and already framed. That way I can put all of these amazing memories up on our wall. So these are the Mixtiles that we had before up on our wall, and now we're going to be taking them down and showing you how easy it is to remove them. Perfect. So as you can see, there is no damage on the wall. Those came off so easily. Just lift up and down. And then remember that these are reusable, so if you want to take them off and you want to put them somewhere else, it's still sticky behind there, so you can move them wherever you want to. So there is our empty wall, no damage, it looks perfect. So now we just have them laid out all over the floor, and my husband is moving them around, trying to decide on which pattern he would like to go with. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit more info on Mixtiles. So every Mixtile is 8 by 8, and like I said in the beginning of the video, there is different frames to choose from. They have the black, they have white, they have a canvas one, and another one, but every time we've ordered, we've chosen the white frames because we like the white frames and it matches with our decor. But yeah, so every Mixtile is 8 by 8. The little sticky part is right on the back here at the top. You just peel off this little piece here, which reveals the sticky piece. They are so easily removable, they are reusable, so if you put them somewhere on your wall, you don't like where you put it, or maybe it's not even, you just simply peel it off and replace it wherever you want to. These are affordable, they are high quality, these pictures turned out absolutely beautiful. Like I said, you can connect Mixtiles to your social media accounts, whether it be Instagram, Facebook, Google Photos, or you can just upload them directly to the website from your desktop, which is what I did this time. Last time I got our pictures from my Instagram account. So it's really easy to upload the photos, and Mixtiles actually automatically centers them for you, or if you want, you can move it around yourself and position the picture wherever you want it to be. I love that Mixtiles gives us a opportunity to print out our memories, because anymore, if you notice, all we do is post on social media. Nobody prints out pictures anymore. So Mixtiles is just the best way to get your photos printed and framed perfectly. And I also wanted to remind y'all, if you're going to order your own Mixtiles, make sure and use my coupon code, which will be good for the first 100 customers, and you can save 10% on your first order at Mixtiles. So we're about to start hanging up our Mixtiles.
And now I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to hang these Mixtiles in the unique pattern that we chose.
So since he already came up with the pattern beforehand, he knows exactly how he's wanting these photos to go, and he is using a level just to make sure that everything is straight and perfect. Mixtiles are so easy to use, and there's no nails or anything else required. You just pull the little sticky paper off of the back, place them where you want them to go, and press against the wall, and voila, you're done. Okay, so he just finished putting up all of our Mixtiles, and I wanted to tell you guys that all of these are new till you get over here in this corner. These were all of the older ones that we took down and we put back up. So that shows you how easy it is to take them down and put them back. They are still sticky, so yeah, they are definitely reusable and movable. Aren't these so cute? He did such a good job. So anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope y'all check out Mixtiles and get your orders in. These are so fun, and it just brings your memories to life. And also, don't forget to use my coupon code. It is available for the first 100 customers, and the coupon code is down below. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!